Imagine hearing on the news that another dangerous virus has appeared somewhere in the world. You might think, at least we've learned from COVID-19, so we'll be ready this time. But what if that's not true? According to a major new report from the Global Preparedness Monitoring Board, established by the World Health Organization, the world is actually less prepared for the next pandemic than it was before COVID-19. Even more worrying, this warning comes as the World Health Organization responds to deadly Ebola outbreaks in Africa, while also helping to contain a hantavirus outbreak linked to a cruise ship. So, after experiencing one of the biggest health crises in modern history, how did the world end up going backwards? Let's find out. Imagine your neighborhood had just survived a devastating fire. You'd probably expect everyone to build stronger homes, install better smoke alarms, and prepare better emergency plans. But according to the latest report from the Global Preparedness Monitoring Board, many countries have done almost the opposite. COVID-19 exposed major weaknesses in healthcare systems around the world. Yet, instead of strengthening those systems, many governments have reduced investment in public health. At the very same time, new threats are growing faster than our ability to respond. Claire Cameron, reporting for Scientific American, says the report highlights several reasons. These include declining trust in health institutions, climate change, armed conflicts, political divisions between countries, reduced healthcare funding, and even the growing use of artificial intelligence without enough safeguards. Leading epidemiologist Jessica Justman from ICAP at Columbia University says infectious disease outbreaks haven't disappeared. Instead, the world is facing more threats, all at the same time. Now, here's the encouraging part. This report isn't simply predicting disaster. It's giving the world a chance to act before the next crisis begins. Governments can strengthen hospitals, scientists can improve disease monitoring, countries can invest more in research, and perhaps most importantly, people can rebuild trust in public health. International cooperation also means dangerous viruses can be detected much earlier, allowing outbreaks to be contained before they spread across continents. The report also points to something with enormous potential: artificial intelligence. If it's used responsibly, AI could help scientists detect outbreaks sooner, predict where diseases might spread, and even speed up the development of vaccines and treatments. In other words, the future isn't fixed. The decisions we make today could save millions of lives tomorrow. But there are still major challenges ahead. Climate change is expanding the habitats of animals and insects that carry dangerous diseases. Armed conflicts are damaging healthcare systems. Political disagreements are making countries less willing to share vital health information. The situation has also become more complicated after the United States withdrew from the World Health Organization and reduced funding for international health programs, including support previously provided through the United States Agency for International Development, better known as USAID. Meanwhile, negotiations over the World Health Organization Pandemic Agreement continue. Its goal is simple: to improve global cooperation before the next pandemic. But countries still disagree on how information about newly discovered viruses should be shared. Scientists believe that unless nations begin working together again, future pandemics could spread faster, last longer, and cause even greater economic and social disruption than COVID-19. COVID-19 changed the world forever, but perhaps its greatest lesson wasn't simply about viruses. It was about preparation, trust, and the power of working together. The latest findings from the Global Preparedness Monitoring Board remind us that defeating future pandemics won't depend on one country or one scientist. It will require governments, healthcare workers, researchers, and ordinary people, all pulling in the same direction. Because when it comes to pandemics, the safest time to prepare is long before the emergency begins. Now we'd love to hear from you. Do you think the world is truly ready for another pandemic? Or have we already forgotten the lessons of COVID-19? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Innovative Scientific Discovery for more fascinating science stories that help us better understand our changing world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next discovery.